We're over here at GoToMath.com working some calculus today. We're looking at all the rules of differentiation and going through a bunch of different functions. We're looking at trig functions right now. It says find the derivative. So we want to find y prime. By the way, this is the section we're in right here. That section. And let's move over to something, to the whiteboard. How's that? And of course, I always forget to erase what happened in the previous problem. We've got y is equal to, now we could be saying f of x. There's a lot of ways of asking for the derivative, but we're just saying y this time. We got y is equal to the cotan of 5x to the 6th plus 3. 5x to the 6th plus 3. Whoa, plus signs morphing into a lot of other stuff. Let me make sure I got that right. 5 cotan 5x, yeah, that's it. Now there was something in the previous section that you should have memorized, and that was what is the derivative of cotan x, right? Over there on button 5, we needed to memorize these things, and when we take the derivative of cotan, we should be getting cosecant squared x. Cosecant squared x, the derivative of cotan. Now, whoa, wait a minute, I think there's a negative out front. 1 second. And yeah, should be negative there. Alright. Now, let's, since we know this, let's do it. Y prime is equal to, so we rewrite the coefficient, of course. The derivative of cotan is cosecant squared x. Now we're going to rewrite what's in parentheses here. 5x to the 6th minus plus 3. Forget that symbol there, it's a damn plus in there, Lord. Alright, then we take the derivative of what's in the parentheses and bring it out. So the derivative of 5x to the 6th is 30x to the 5th, right? And the derivative of 3 is 0. What are we left with? Well, let's bring that 30x to the 5th out front. So 30 times 5, you know what? And I just about forgot again. This is negative. I forgot that negative out there. Alright, so let's 5 times 30 is 150, so we got negative 150 x to the 5th cosecant squared, and then we rewrite everything that's in parentheses, plus 3. That 6 morphed into a b there. Let's put it back as a 6. So there you go. That is the derivative. Now remember, this was something in the previous section that we had to memorize, that the derivative of cotan was negative cosecant squared x. So let's move over to the page, and hopefully I've got this programmed correctly, and it is. Sometimes I make a little mistake and try to find it. You can send me a message and tell me, hey, look, I think you might have made a mistake, but it's possible. Alright, but we'll get that correctly. We'll get that corrected quickly. That's what I meant to say. So come over here to go to math and click on this section right here to see these problems. Make sure you have this section down first, right, before you move over to this section here. Okay, of course this stuff is all building on each other until we get to the trig functions, but still we're using some of the same properties like the chain rule really for this particular one here. Alright, good luck.